Hello everybody, what's up? How are you guys doing? Well, I'm back with a makeup video which is going to be a fashion makeup, and it has some smoky eyeshadow with some details which are going to be pink. I know, I'm obsessed with pink, but this is going to be wonderful. So keep watching till the end of this video and tell me how do you think about it in the comments. Tell me your opinion, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's it guys, go and watch it. I want to focus beyond my eyes, so I'm just using BB cream for having low cover, and I love this one. I really don't know why I'm still showing you how to blend your foundation, because you already know. We had so many videos about it. Go and watch them. Come on, I'm not gonna show you. Because recently I have so many acne, so I probably need to use this foundation for the second layer, and I hope it works. I don't know why I didn't use a high cover. I don't know. After a long time of not using this cream contour, I decided to use it. I know I'm gonna regret, but maybe I don't. And I don't like to contour a lot, just here. That's why I use the darker one, actually the darkest one. And this is Hunting palette. I'm not real satisfied about it. I don't want it to look long today, so I don't use a brush till my eyebrows. And later we're gonna use bronzer on them to fix them with powder. This concealer, but don't use it a lot. We don't need it actually, because the BB cream we used was white enough. And here, a little bit here and here. And for preparing your eyes for the beautiful eyeshadow we're going to do, and here. I'm not gonna show you how to blend it. Go and watch the previous videos, please. For the first time, I like to use my highlighter before blending and before using the powder, because in this makeup I'm not using powder a lot, just maybe under my eyes, because I wanted this makeup to look fresh as possible, so use a lot of it. I told you I'm not gonna show you, but my phone started recording, so I'm showing you how to blend your highlighter. Okay, it's fun to show you how to blend. Oh, I'm really satisfied with this highlight. And the baked powder that I'm gonna use for under my eyes and beside my nose, just like what we always do. Not always, but usually. You know, when I like to use it a lot. My favorite bronzer, which I don't know its name, and which you can use as the blush. Okay, I use a lot of it, so I probably need to blend it a lot. I didn't forget it this time, but we don't need it a lot. Just a little for shaping. For this eyeshadow, we need a black pencil, because black eyeshadows are not enough. They don't have enough pigment. So first of all, use these kind of pencils which you can blend, and later we're gonna use eyeshadow. With another blending brush, we blend it more and more till there is no black here and only gray. Alright, so the details I told you about are thunders, and I'm gonna use this neon pink, obviously. I like this side more than this one. Don't know why, but I like it more. Okay, it's not necessary, but I like to use a shiny pink for the inner part of my eyes. Also, I like to use some pink glitter for the inner part of my eyes, because I guess it probably will look good. What do you think? Look at them. I think it's not bad. Let's work on the lipstick. I use this matte pink. Alright, I'm happy with this makeup, but I like to use a lot of fake freckles for all over my face, so let's try it. It probably looks good. I use my cream contour again, and I will blend it with my finger like always. Alright, and with the fake piercing, which hurts a lot, we are done with this fashion makeup, and I really into it. You know, even it's more beautiful when I look in the mirror, but it's fine too on camera, and I hope you guys like it. Oh, it's so hard to talk with this, but I like it. So don't forget to like this video and tell me how do you think about this makeup, subscribe, and take care of yourself. Bye bye, and have a lovely day.